Hello, I'm Benoit.
And I'm Camille.
Here at Volotea, we like people. That's why we want to talk to them in a natural and direct way. We want our passengers' time with us to be enjoyable, pleasant, and to leave them with a good memory. To do so, pilot announcements and their approach to communication with passengers during the flights are key to make their experience with Volotea memorable.
As a pilot, your role in reinforcing this experience is crucial, because one aspect our passengers truly value is hearing some pilot messages, sharing information with them. In this video, we are giving you some guidelines and tips to give good announcement on board. Therefore, we can make a direct impact on our NPS level.
The captain must ensure all flight operation announcements are made in English by the flight deck crew and, when possible, in the languages of departure and destination countries. Either the captain or first officer is expected to communicate with the passengers at least one time. If the captain or first officer cannot communicate in the required languages, cabin crew purser should translate the announcements. On internal flights, preferably use the country's native language first, followed by English. The welcome on board announcement can be made on the ground if workload allows. Otherwise, it should be done after reaching cruise altitude. Let's start with the welcome on board message. This message helps us greet our passengers on board and give them some information about the flight. For example, this is how I would do the welcome announcement. Dear passengers, my name is Benoit, captain on this Volotea flight. Welcome on board this Airbus A319 of Volotea flying to Barcelona. I let you in the care of our cabin crew members, Camilo, Tom, Diana, who will take care of you during the flight. Our flight time today will be 1 hour and 8 minutes. We hope you enjoy the flight and we look forward to seeing you again very soon on board. Have a nice flight.
Don't forget to always maintain a friendly, close, pleasant, and informative tone. The most important thing is to keep the passengers informed. When there is extra time, you can add extra messages like temperature, destination, the route with key locations, the attitude, or special message like Merry Christmas or Happy New Year, for example.
When there is a disruption, it is even more important to give the information to the passengers and a reason why. On ground, when the delay is caused beyond Volotea's control, like in a strike, bad weather, ATC, I would do the following message when we are still on the ground. Dear passengers, my name is Benoit, captain on this Volotea flight. We are very sorry for the delay we have for our flight to Barcelona. We are waiting for the slot to depart, which is a restriction on the time of departure from air traffic control. If there are no changes, we are currently expecting to take off in approximately 50 minutes, and our flight time will be 1 hour and 23 minutes. We will keep you informed as soon as possible when we've got further details. Thank you very much for your patience and your understanding.
Please remember that if it's about CTOT, we can mention that our operations department is looking for an improvement of the restrictions. If it's about technical issue, it is good to be informative, but do not give too many details that could unsettle the passengers.
In case of a delay caused by Volotea, it is important to communicate with a tone that is respectful, honest, informative, and calm. For instance, when explaining a delay due to a late rotation, refueling, cargo loading, how is an example of an announcement I could make during a flight? Dear passengers, my name is Benoit, your captain on this Volotea flight. We are experiencing some delay. Our takeoff has been delayed due to the late rotation of the aircraft coming back from Rome. Our flight time remaining is now 53 minutes and we will arrive around 14:25 local time. Thank you very much for your understanding. Enjoy the flight.
We hope that this tutorial helped you approach the onboard announcement in an easier way. Your effort and details will make a very important impact on our passengers' experience.
Don't forget that in case of doubts, you can check your pilots to passengers announcements guidelines on your EFB. See you soon, fly safe!